Hi YouTube, Diesel Peters here. So I wanted to make an update on the Yanmar engines that I have. This is where I'm at right now. So these are both the top covers, the engine covers for the two diesel engines. I've made some purchases pretty recently. I just haven't gotten around to it because it's been raining a lot or I have work late. But I have the actual Yanmar gray right there. I have the epoxy primer, it's 2K, and 2K clear coat for it. And basically, I'm taking all of the paint off of both of these because I want to do this right. I don't want to have to do it again. So this is what I've been up to, slowly taking the paint off and organizing in here. Let's show you guys the engines. So here they are. These are the two Yanmar engines I have left. Pending me picking up a Cat 7 kilowatt generator, I believe it is, and it's a diesel. So I don't know what diesel engine it has in it, but it might have a Yanmar, which would be really cool. I'll keep you guys updated on that though, or not. I'll just edit it from this video if I end up not getting it. But this is what I'm down to. I have to do the valves on both of them, set both of them. I have to install the fuel injector on this one, which I have, and I actually have to send back the old one. Well, old one as in I had bought a new one for it, but it doesn't fit, so I have to send it back. I might use the nozzle from one and just swap it over if I end up keeping it, but we'll see. I have the brand new flywheel and starter ring, as you can see on that one. This one, I've been trying to find a shop who will mount the starter ring, just the starter ring, onto the flywheel so that I can install that on this as well. But I've been unsuccessful so far. So this one has the new fuel injection pump. This one's just all original with that, but both of them have been bored out, 0.05 over. What else? I already put the new head gaskets on, new crankcase gaskets, new oil seal gaskets. So everything's brand new on here for the most part. I retimed both of them, as you guys might have seen in a previous video, a few videos ago at this point. I have the electric starts. I have everything lined up right now. Still have some miscellaneous parts left over that I haven't really had a use for. Let's see what else. I also had figured that since I was doing all this work, I might as well just put brand new air filter boxes, but I ran into a problem. They don't give you the gaskets that go around or inside the actual air filter boxes. So, for one of them, I have both gaskets, so everything will be smooth. But the other one, I'm going to have to actually make the gaskets somehow. And that is something I would like to look into and see how I'm going to get that done. But my main focus isn't even that. That's down probably at least another week or so ahead of this week. My goal for this week, though, is just to finally get these engine covers done, get them painted, and then let them sit a week, get nice and dry, install them on the engines, and that way I can install the pull starts. More stuff is going together, and then I feel better, a little bit better about this whole build. It's been many months in the making, and excited to see how this is going to turn out, see if they're going to start up. Hey YouTube, Diesel Peters here. So, finally getting around to finishing up the two Yanmars that I have. I have 2K epoxy primer, so this should work perfect. I already injected the hardener into it. And here we go, I'm gonna paint them. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Think about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright. You're okay. have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging or painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.